I know her.
So last year, they closed on $12 million in landing. Yes. And
Woo!
this year
Congratulations.
alone, so far, in June, in June, we've closed 8 million. So we're on our
Woo!
way, okay, to doubling that number. Okay, and also awards and recognitions. So for 2024 and 2025, we were the MPA Elite Women in Mortgage, the only
Yay.
black woman
All
who
right.
win that award. Okay, let's go. And she is the founder of BMPA, and she is the chair of the Black Home Ownership Council. And so what sets Integrity Home Lending apart? So we close in 7 to 10 days, which is amazing. I've closed on 3 houses before, one in the future. So 7 to 10 days, that's amazing. 0% down conventional loans, TX DPA programs, 2 to 5% available, 3% down affordable loans, and bank statements and P&L loans. So that's what sets us apart from these other lenders. So we want you guys to enjoy yourselves. We are here to celebrate 3.5 years and to celebrate our partners and our customers. So you guys enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank y'all for coming out. It's truly been, not gonna cry, it's been a journey, and I thank all the customers who are here and my partners who are here. You know who you are. Family, my notorious sister who came out to support. I do have a customer here, and I'm gonna bring her on up because she's got a great story. But I just want her to share her story because I do believe in changing the wealth gap, closing that wealth gap. I believe in changing the financial success of a family, and it starts with the first closing. And I love this story because the entire family bought the house. It wasn't just the mom and the dad, it was the mom and the dad and the son. And it's a beautiful story. So, and we just cried at the table. We just all cried. So, if you would please welcome my very good friend, customer, Miss Thomason. I'm just going to have her say a few words, and then we're just going to cut this ribbon.
Hello. So I really had a really great experience with Jennifer and Integrity. It was just called God for me. My journey actually started with a vision board in 2024. Just telling God, hey, I want more of you, but I do want a house. You know, if you see fit to bless me with it, you will. And about 2 or 3 months later, I connected with a mutual friend that we had. She connected me with the realtor over here, and then I got connected with Jennifer.
Miss Carnisha.
Yes, Miss Carnisha. And within that year, probably within like 10 months, I was getting ready to get approved for the house through Integrity. And my son is 24 years old, and he's a homeowner. And I told him I wanted to make sure to set him up. My husband and I had had a house before, and he was not able to get him involved with it due to some personal issues and so forth. And so, just talking with Jennifer and Carnisha, they had homes that had, were built. They had nice interest rates, and they were like, we can do this and that. I said, let me tell you. I said, this is personal for me. I said, my husband wants to build a home. He wants to be able to pick out everything that we can pick together. As a wife, I'm going to respect that. And so, just telling those ladies that, they said, I heard you. And so, thank God that my husband was able to get on the loan with us. We were able to build from the ground. We were able to pick everything out that we wanted to have. And I just thank God for the women that God put in my life between here. And you couldn't ask any better than Integrity and Jennifer. I mean, we were like a family now. They don't even seem like they're business people. They're like friends and girlfriends, for me. And just God sent. So, send anybody and everybody to her. She's going to make it happen. I mean, the last 2 weeks were rough, but when she made it to the table, we all made it there. She said, I cried like a baby because I know your story. But I was just very adamant that I said, hey, I'm going to respect what my husband wants. This is what we're going to do. And they respected me for that. We did exactly just that. So we closed on our home in July 22nd. And we had a couple little delays, a couple little things going on that I was having a fit about. And God, it was God purpose. And the day that we closed, we found out my dad's cancer came back. He didn't have a place 2 years ago for him to be able to take care of him. And the day we closed, we found out I had a room built on for my dad, and I had a bathroom built on for my dad. So I was able to do that with the help of these ladies. Not only that, just being able to take care of my dad now and not be worried about where he is and what's going on with him. So just a blessing. This whole establishment's a blessing. The ladies are a blessing.
I'm just gonna put a plug in. She's joining Integrity. Curtis was like, you'd be real good at that. I was like, yeah, you'd be really good at that. I said, you don't take the class? She said, I'm gonna take the class. So by January, I'm speaking into existence. You walking up in that MLO room. Okay, all right. So I guess we'll cut the ribbon. Come on, husband. Y'all, I just have to stop. I won't do it. I'm gonna do it. I couldn't cut this ribbon if you knew my story. And I had a friend tell me years ago, don't start a business until God sends you your husband. And I didn't listen. And I learned my lesson. And I understand, because it takes a husband to cover and to pray and to protect and come alongside of you. And I couldn't do this without you. And he put everything together in this office. Anything that God tells me, he's like, go do it. I got the family, go do it. So I just want to publicly say I love you and I thank you, because I couldn't do this without him. So now that I just cried, let's cut the ribbon. Guys, thank you so much. So we have a dessert bar. If you haven't seen it, Akashur, come on up here. You're gonna come up for everybody. Come on. I love my partners. Take these from me, Kennedy. I love my partners. I'm gonna call all the partners that are here and that support it. But I need to say a little bit about Akashur title. I've been working with him for over 3 years. Morgan is my bestie. My brother from another mother, and they are amazing. And this is the title company that I can call and say, I need to close this loan in 7 days, and I have title in 24 hours, literally. This is the title company I can call and say, hey, my buyers can't get off of work because their job won't let them. I need them to keep their job, so I need to close at 7 o'clock at night, and they're here in my office and closing my team, right? Closing my bars. This is the title company that says, oh, we need to close on Saturday? No problem, because we're going to get your borrowers closed. It takes a partnership. I can't do this by myself. And so I just want to say thank you to Akashur for this beautiful little dessert bar we have back there, y'all. Come get some cinnamon rolls and stuff. And then, let's see, Goosehead. I want to thank Goosehead. I want to thank Converse Insurance and all the food from UWM. We are a diamond lender with UWM, and that's how we release our own docs. We close so fast, and so I want to publicly thank them. And to my realtor partners who are here, Vanessa, raise your hand from Waco. Thank you for coming out. Carnisha here in Dallas. We close loans together. These are my partners, and I'm very thankful for y'all being here. So we have a little more time, so kids jump. Let's have some dessert, drinks, and publicly thank you. And face paint, or last call for face paint, kids. So if y'all want your face paint, last call. Thank you guys for coming, and please help me eat all this food, okay? Because I don't have room at home. Yeah. Yes, where is she at? Is she hiding? Where's Big Co? Is that them? Okay, hold on. I need to publicly say thank you to Big Co. Jasmine, go get her. Get the phone. Get the phone. Go get her. Perfect timing. I want to say thank you because I found this office because of my dear friend, and she is a realtor. She just pulled up, and I'm going to just call her out. That's what we're going to do. We're going to say thank you. We're going to clap. But no, when I decided, when God said, it's time to move, and I was like, oh, really? Where? I don't want to move. And this is the friend who was like, you need to come out of Dallas. You're driving too far. Come down here. So she's a real estate broker, and she helped me find this office. So it's public that she just showed up because I just want to publicly thank her. We would not be in this office without her. She negotiated it. She found it. She got us a great deal. Got us in within like 7 days. It's unheard of on a commercial deal. So come on, Colleen. Come, Big Cole. Girl. There she is. Y'all, that's Big Cole. That's days. 7 days I drove her crazy, and we looked 7 long days, and we looked at everything. But when I tell you, God says this is your place, and so she helped me find this place, and we got a yes, and we got it in 7 days, and I love it. And so publicly, thank you, and I love you. So there you go. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's have dessert. DJ Billy, you got it.
Let's go, 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 go.